Hi there, Mrs. Roberts here. I'm going to be taking you through some of the key information for the option subject, which is Triple Science. Now, Triple Science incorporates biology, chemistry and physics. So you will have studied a lot of biology, chemistry and physics throughout Key Stage 3. Now, Triple Science will build on all of this fundamental knowledge, but what it will also do is help you understand the importance of science in everyday life. It will also prepare you to make informed decisions about scientific issues that may affect your life right now or into the future. So why choose Triple Science then? You must enjoy science. So Triple Science is very, very difficult. There is a lot of content to learn, and to learn and be so dedicated to the subject, you have got to enjoy it. Now you'll have nearly double the amount of science lessons than you would to combined science, and that's one of the reasons why you must enjoy science, because it will be a massive part of your timetable. Now another reason you might want to choose Triple Science is that you already know you want to do A-level science. Okay, so you already want to choose a science subject for A-level. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean you have to do triple, okay, but it is an advantage. Similarly to that, you might have in your mind that you want to go on and study medicine at university. Again, having Triple Science would be an advantage, but it is not a necessity. Another reason why students might choose Triple Science is because you're strong across all three sciences. So you're strong across biology, chemistry, physics, and also maths. There is a massive amount of Triple Science that is based on mathematical skills. So it is really important you're strong across all four of those subjects. Now here's an overview of the course. So as I said, you'll study biology, you'll study chemistry and you'll study physics. Now biology is looking at the world of living things. So it might be looking at a cell or an ecosystem. Chemistry, on the other hand, is looking at the chemical processes and the reactions that happen, okay, and these impact our everyday lives. We then have physics. Now physics encourages us to look at the underlying principles of how things work. So that could be looking at an electrical circuit, but then linking these fundamental principles to things like fairground rides. Now with Triple Science, you will study all of the combined science content, but with some added topics. And I've just included here a couple of examples for each of biology, chemistry and physics. So biology, you learn about the brain, the eye, the kidneys. Chemistry, you learn about nanoscience. We learn about specific reactions called titrations, which are using acids and alkalis. And we also look at using the Earth's materials, okay, so that really nicely links into what we use in everyday life. And then for physics, we learn about the space topic and also things like lenses. So Triple Science is worth 3 GCSEs. You'll get a separate biology, chemistry and physics GCSE. Now it's really important to note that it is 100% exam based, so there is no coursework involved in this subject. Now the exams are very long, so each of the exams are 1:45 and you have a total of 6 exams over the 3 different sciences. So it's really important you think to yourself, okay, is that right for me? Is 100% exam based subject the correct route for me to go down? Through these exams, there'll be a mixture of multiple choice, structured, closed, short answer questions, but also some longer open responses. And each exam paper will cover content from the 28 required practicals. So what qualities make a good Triple Science student? You need to be hardworking, as I've already mentioned. You need to be dedicated. You need to be a good communicator, both orally and written. You need to be curious. Okay, you need to have good mathematical skills. You need to be a good problem solver. And as I've already mentioned, you do need to be achieving good grades in all subjects, including English and maths. By choosing Triple Science as one of your options, you are opening your opportunities for lots and lots of different careers. So careers such as becoming a doctor, a dentist, a vet, many different types of engineer, an astronomer, and obviously many more. I've listed just 5 there. And the skills that would be developed throughout your time as a triple scientist would be your analytical skills, your mathematical skills, your practical skills. Like I mentioned, there's 28 required practicals that you have to know in detail. So your practical skills would be developed. And a massive one is problem solving and being able to apply your knowledge to solve a range of different problems. And here are just a couple of student testimonials. I think it's really important to note that students appreciate how difficult triple science is. So they're very positive testimonials, but both students actually mentioned that it is a tough subject to do. Okay, so you do need to be very dedicated and willing to work very hard. If you sat there thinking, right, this course is right for me, some key final things. You need to be high achieving in all core subjects. So that's English, maths, and obviously science. You need to be able to learn a very large amount of content and apply this in a range of circumstances. And as I've said, it is a difficult subject, so you've got to be dedicated and willing to work very, very hard. So if you do have any other questions, please feel free to email me on the email address on the PowerPoint, and I can either arrange a time that's appropriate to give you a call on, or you can just ask me your questions via email. Take care now. Bye bye.